Hello friends, welcome to the affiliate marketing tutorial that is 100% free, and in this training or tutorial whatever you'd like to call it, I'll guide you step by step to do each and everything. I'm not just showing you to do things, but instead I'm going to catch your finger through these videos and make you do each and every stuff to make a website like this, and then we'll promote this website in Microsoft Ad to get sales in our affiliate products in short term, and in long term we'll make this type of articles rank in search engines. So you can write these articles by yourself, or you can also hire content writer to write these articles. So in this video I'll give you a brief overview of this full tutorial. So in lesson 1 I am going to give you an overview of this full tutorial. So this is 100% free tutorial. You are not going to pay me anything for this tutorial. In lesson 2 I'll talk about hosting, and we'll decide whether we will go with free hosting and free domain, or paid hosting or paid domain. And I'll also show you how to get a hosting and reach up to the WordPress dashboard, where we'll start to make our website and make several pages that are at about us page, contact us page, privacy policy page, like this: about us, contact us, and this privacy policy. We'll talk about these things in this lesson. Similarly, we'll do a little bit customization. In lesson 4 we'll make logo and site icon of our website. So that means logo means this, and site icon means this. You can see here we'll make this thing and put it in our website. Similarly, in lesson 5 we'll customize menus. So these are the menus that we'll customize. And in lesson 6 you'll join various affiliate programs, or you can join my suggested affiliate programs, where you can find several products, several links to the affiliate product in various niche. In lesson 7 you'll hire a content writer. You can also write content by yourself, it's your choice, but you can hire a content writer for high quality article, and I'm going to provide you some tips and some written format that you can use to get high quality content for your website, and you can post your content like this. Similarly, in lesson 8 we'll post that article, our first article, in our homepage, and we'll also use this kind of sales image which will attract people to click and buy through our links. Similarly, in lesson 9 we'll create a Microsoft Ad account, and we're going to get a $100 free ad credit in Microsoft Ads. Similarly, in lesson 10 we'll launch a profitable campaign in Microsoft Ads. I'll guide you each and everything step by step here. So in lesson 11 once we start to run our campaign, we'll also optimize our this article. For example, if we are getting more sales from this product, then we can move this to upward. We'll do that kind of optimization in this lesson. Similarly, in lesson 11 we'll make and customize categories. So basically these two are the category that I have made in this tutorial. So we'll form this type of category, so if people come and click on here, then they can read this type of articles. Similarly, if people come here, then they can read this type of articles that are related to individual product review. We'll do that kind of stuff here. And in lesson 12 we'll talk about site structure and internal linking, and this is a long term vision that you will understand, so that your website gets ranked on various search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. So I'll teach you about that kind of structuring in this lesson. And in last lesson, I'll talk about keyword research, how you can utilize Google search bar and a free keyword research tool to get low competition keywords for your upcoming article. And in this lesson, this is this is just an overview of this full tutorial, but inside there are various other things that are highly important to know, and each and everything are so made in so simple to understand way that you can understand even if you are a complete beginner. And if you want to start doing affiliate marketing to make money in short term with paid ads and in long term with free and organic traffic, then you should definitely take this training. And now I want to take a leave, and we'll meet in next lesson, that is lesson 2, where we'll choose hosting. That would be a free hosting or paid hosting, that you need to decide. I'll tell you each and everything about those things, and I'll also show you how to take steps to get a hosting and launch your first website. So guys, I hope this video was easy for you to understand. So now let's meet in next lesson if you are interested to continue. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.